Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your Oppo runs a recent color OS and has at least 200 MB free. This prevents install failures. Next, pick a reputable VPN app, paid service versus free, because privacy and speed differ. Once chosen, open Play Store or transfer the APK and tap Install. Make sure to grant basic permissions when prompted, but avoid unrestricted access. Finally, go to Settings and prepare to add a VPN profile so you can connect quickly after installation. You now sign into the VPN app and allow the app to create a VPN connection. This system permission routes traffic securely. Once done, review protocol options. OpenVPN or WireGuard are usually best for speed and security, and select one. Then pick a server location near you for latency or in a target country for region access. Make sure to enable kill switch and auto reconnect options if available, because they keep you protected during drops. Tap connect and wait until the status shows connected. You finish by confirming the VPN works. Check your IP in a browser and open apps to ensure traffic flows through the tunnel. If a problem appears, first toggle the VPN off and on, then switch servers. Many issues clear that way. Once done, reboot the phone and retry, and make sure battery saver or data saver is not blocking background VPN activity. If problems persist, clear the VPN app cache or reinstall it. This usually resolves corrupt configurations and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.